Hi, Charles here. Well, I'm out of the boot. I'm in an ankle raft now, so I'm not getting much done with the van, but I am getting some things done. Thanks for watching. Well, you saw Susie over there painting. We're down to our last few weeks with our daughter, her husband, and the 4 girls. Those are the 2 older ones you saw, and then they're identical twins. You may have heard them now and then in some of the videos. But my son-in-law just finished his massage therapy classes, passed them, and did his national certification a few days ago and passed that. So probably, maybe even before we leave, but probably sometime soon, they are going to be heading out west, maybe west and north, we shall see. So we've just not been in a hurry. We were going to do some camping in Indiana, but it's too hot, and then with my ankle being the mess that it is, I just have to let it heal. So I can't really take any chances. I'm really babying it right now, and I think I've got 2 more weeks with this ankle brace on, and then hopefully I can just take it easy and we'll be fine. We don't tend to do big heavy-duty hikes anyway. We do short hikes and we're taking photos quite a bit, so we get to a place we just stop, you know. So anyway, really, again, not much working to do on the van. We were going to, as you know, we were doing adding the hoses to the vent for the Zero Breeze air conditioner, and I thought something like this would work. Susie cut out some thin masonite here, and as it turns out, it's really just going to be easier. We're going back to her original plan where she's just going to mount these with, not exactly super glue, but with the super adhesive, get them on there. You know, if we can put a screw in, we might, but I don't think it's going to be necessary. And then the hoses just carefully slip over that. So she's going to get that done now. We've decided to forget my incredible genius idea that really wasn't going to work. I just washed the van really well. You didn't need to see that. I'm getting ready to put waterproofing on the deck boards up above because they've dried out enough. It's time to do that to protect them. I had a Halo View camera on the passenger side that helps with the blind spot. It just stopped working. So Halo View is sending me a replacement. I'm getting that on Monday, so I'll get that taken care of. Just oil change, tire rotation, and we're ready to go. So 4 weeks from today, we will be at Colorado National Monument, Junction City, Colorado. It's not actually a national park, it's a national park unit, but it's almost the same as. And so I was lucky to snag 3 nights there, then we head off to Capitol Reef for 2 nights. I would have stayed longer. Boy, they've had some flash floods there. I'm almost glad that we are not there right now. And then we go over to Moab for 2 days just to peek into Arches. We'll get there. The first day we're just going to do some afternoon checking it out after the crowds are gone and pick out a place where we're going to go back at night the second day. So the second day we'll go out early, some sunrise stuff maybe, forget Delicate Arch. There are plenty of other places. That's not an easy hike, and I want to be still taking care of my ankle. And then we'll probably scope out spots and then go back at night and just get a couple of places. I think I've already got them chosen to do some Milky Way pictures, mainly to get the van in with Milky Way. And then after that, off we go, a couple stops, and then we're at Rocky Mountain National Park. And definitely should be cooler there. It's just been too hot to camp, so we wouldn't have done any camping anyway, even without my ankle. And then again, I said our family next door is getting ready to leave, so we want to spend some more time with the girls. And that's kind of it. Just standard maintenance stuff we need to do, and we'll be set to go. So that's kind of it. I'm thinking about putting together a little video. You may have seen a video in the YouTube series where way long ago where I picked out my favorite van build YouTube channels, and they really helped me a lot. They gave us some great ideas. And now since I've been kind of couch bound, thinking about doing picking out maybe my 4 or 6 favorite, mainly couples that are travel vloggers. People come up and ask us if we're van lifers, and I kind of repel at that. I just have this attitude about van life, that term, but we're not. And but these are people that do a lot of traveling. A couple of them have been drastically affected by you-know-what, and so it's kind of changed the focus of their channel. But what I found is the ones I'm drawn to that are like this, it's just that they're charming and endearing. One of them, I like the couple, but my wife and I, Susie and I, both really like the gal, his wife. And if it was just him, I don't think we'd watch it. But she saves that channel, I think. It's why they've got a lot of followers. So anyway, I may do a video about that. And that's pretty much it. As the opening now says, we're doing It's the Van Bill series Tweaks and Beyond, including travel. So as we go on our trip, as we get closer, I'll talk more about it, but everything is all set. There's a train ride that I'm going to wait till it's closer, till we get out there before we do that. And that one's at, it looks like Canyon City. I think it's Canyon. I can't say it right. I think we're doing a train ride there. So anyway, pretty much all set to go, and just kind of in our holding pattern for right now. I'll get back with you soon, I hope. Thanks for watching.